It's Sir Bonus the third, guys. Look at the multipliers.
Oh, let's go, party people! It is.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Take care. Little, we have 0 and Chris, top 3 winners, and yeah, let's spin again, guys. Back in my gold blazer, guys, finally. What do you mean I'm making everyone ill? I just got here, mate. There we go, good luck, guys. 3X on the 2, guys. My lord! Hey, what's up, SK? Do I speak Russian? No. I know like a few words, that's all. Ladies and gentlemen, Pachinko, can I get a Let's go, guys. Let's have a look at our multipliers for the drop. Here we go. Lowest multiplier will be a 3X. Man, it feels so good to be back in my blazer, guys. You cannot imagine. 5, 10, 15, 20, 200, and a double? Can I, guys, get another 200X like I did yesterday, is the question. Well, let's answer it now. A kiss for good luck, me lords and me ladies. There goes the drop. Good luck. Come on, give us the 200X. Come on, 200 for the boys. Let's go, baby! Boo, boo, boo! 200. I'm him, baby. I'm him. I'm him. Say that again. Guys, you want a dealer's change? I'm a bounce, yeah? Gotcha. Gotcha.
Singer. Good luck. And dear players, do you have favorite artists? Shark, thank you so much. That's very sweet of you. 4X on 10. Let's go and let's drop that pack. Time for Pachinko. Well, the players, welcome back to Pachinko bonus round. Pack is shining bright. And now let's welcome all those beautiful, beautiful multipliers. We are starting with the 3X. Can we please get the high ones? We also get 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 50. And look at that, 200X nearby the corner. All right, there, players. Good luck, everybody. And there we go. Well, what can I say? Miracles sometimes do happen. We just got 200X. Wow. 4,560 winners in total. Played the light 28.7 thousand. Special compliments. Enjoy. That was amazing. Wow, wow, wow. Enjoy. I'm very happy that you got it. Pikachu, much love. Enjoy. Play RK, what thing? I read your message. What is that one thing? It's for someone. That's gonna be a TOPSLOT match. Number 1 is here. 2-1 the payout this time.
A highway will do. You know, swimming through highway. Yeah. Let's go. What's your favorite food, though? I don't really have favorites, to be honest. Cash on with a 5X TOPSLOT. You see, I'm really bad at rating things. I don't have a rating. Like, I can't rate things. I can only tell you that I really like a bunch of things, you know? I do. I don't have any specific things. Cash hunt, let's go. It's like a bunch of specific things, you know? Not just one. I can't have just one favorite thing. I don't know how people do that, because, like, I like a lot of things. I don't have, like, oh, yeah, this is my favorite. No. It's like, I like that. I like this. I like everything. It's like, you know, it's just kind of... Oh, and? So we got a 5X over here, 100X highs, right? Oh, make it a 500X. Oh, look at that, 500X highs now. Let's go! So, 500X highs, let's put on a big stick, a bunch of 125s as well, 250s. Beautiful, beautiful, fantastic. All right, picking time in a moment. Remember, it can be behind the same thing, different thing, same place, different place. Just to tell the truth, is there really a dwarf behind this roulette wheel? Bess, there's a Yoda. You know, we use a Yoda. He uses the Force on the wheel. He's like, slow down, wheel. The Force, you know. Or he looks at you guys and then he just like telepathically gives you the force. What do you call it? I don't know. You know when they do the mind control with the force? Yeah, that's what they do. They're like, you see number one. Yeah. Anyway, 38 of you with a 500X, 415 of you with a beautiful 250X. Get a 5,802 when as slow as all you can, of course, fans can answer top very slow, beautiful 18.8K better time. Do your thing, let's go. Yabba dabba doo. Exactly, G. Yabba dabba doo. All right, let's go. Maybe yours being your favorite. Where you from? Land of Misery, Latvia. Boring here, don't come here. Nothing to do. And it's miserable. Crazy down with a 5X TOPSLOT. Good luck. Enjoy. So, number 2. So, guys, would you like to be turned into a diamond when you pass away? 2,894. What a nice.
That might be the reason. Oh, let's go. Cash out with a 3X on the TOPSLOT. Troy saying, good day, man. Hello, hello. How's your day, Troy? Up over. Let's go! Cash gun with a 3X. All right, this is a beautiful game to catch TOPSLOT multiplier on. You know why? You'll see. You'll see. Wait a second. See that? 1,500X is going to be one of the options here. Imagine 1,500X. You can catch it right now. This could be your moment. Max multiplier, ladies and gentlemen, 1,500X. There's also 225, 150. Great options there. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, this will be your moment, your time to shine and catch maybe even 1,500X more beautiful smile than you have right now. You know, like now it might be like, and then it could be, you never know. So yeah, pick your symbols, catch your victories, and also a reminder, if you're using auto-pick, then one of the symbols being picked randomly for you. If you're not picking anything, well, auto-pick will be. All right, I'm going for the bird. I'm going for the bird looking at a bunny. The good old 21 there, right? Where was 1,500X right there? 1,500X for 50 champions. So many catching 225X, 4,312 winners. Top producer element.
Auto-picker could pick it for you as well, so... Oh boy, you gotta choose, guys. Okay, I'm gonna choose this target that the bunny is looking at. Oh, 10X multi for me, and 100X was kind of like 2 rows, you know, above mine. But hey, still 100X was right there. We have 81 100X multi winners on 6,543 in total. Yay! Nemo, 9,000 100X multi. Yes! You are the first place. And you actually guessed it right, segment as well. Let's continue, everybody. Woo! Good luck. So lovely. First bonus round. Crazy Town, 3X multi. Hi, Bex. Hi, how are you doing? Looking quite nice today, I see. Yes! Crazy Town, 3X. Ah! Okay, guys, let's hold your chairs. Hold your chairs. Let's go. Boom. Okay. Now this is where the fun starts. Okay, guys. First of all, let's triple the whole wheel up. Woohoo! Okay, this is already much better, guys. Now your decisions are now very responsible, very crazy, but you gotta choose them. Also, of course, auto picker could pick it for you. So let's go. Where is it gonna be? So green, blue, yellow, blue, green, kiwis, blueberries, or bananas. High school fire catches 300. Boom! Good luck. Yes! 45X blue, 105X yellow, 300, baby, for that green.
It's looking good, bruv. Stop. No way! Ladies and gentlemen, can I get a yeah? Cash out with a 10X, guys. From now on, you call me Sir Bonus the Third, guys. That's my new name. No Basil, no Mr. Bonus. It's Sir Bonus the Third, guys. Look at the multiplies. We got a 1000X on the board, guys. Woo! Can you guys hunt it down is the question. Before we begin the hunt, guys, symbols multiplies not related. You're given approximately 15 seconds to pick one of the symbols from the wall. In case you don't pick something, something's going to be picked for you by Anja, aka the system. So there we go. Guys, I'm him. Like, this session's been crazy. Okay, I'll let you know what I would have picked in a second. 3, 2, 1, decision time's up, and my symbol is this cupcake. I got 100, below a 500X. Not sure what you guys got in the end. You can let me know in the chat. 20 people got the 1000X. Shout out to all you guys. Little, we have 44 in Lemon, top 3. 6.8 thousand winners in the end, guys. Guys, it's your boy Bazzy coming at you with those big win tutorials. First thing you want to do is I saved the day, guys, because I'm Super Basil. Super Basil's here to save the day, guys. Okay, yeah, I got 100X myself. Mr. Bonus A3 Turbo Diesel. TDI, exactly. Hey, great to see you, honey. Haven't seen you for ages, bud. 5. That's what we got this time. You're actually best. I refuse to play now unless it's you. Okay, guys, let's not make me, be so special. Little, we have 44 in Distant Wisdom, top 3. Let's make another spin. Guys, I'm just having a good session. I mean, I know I call myself the king and stuff like that.
7 times coin flip. Let's see what we're gonna come up with. Woohoo! Oh my days, 7 times coin flip. And guess what? We're landing right up to it. Oh my. Now we're gonna see the bait. Are you kidding me? 28X and 350, baby. I can't, show any religious stuff here, so just good luck. Yes!
Good morning, Venkatesha. Suprabhat. New round, so place your bets. Some time to focus. Oh, we have something big this time. Something big. Maybe a crazy part. Where is our crazy time? Come on. Come on, come on. Woohoo! Crazy time with a 5X top slot. Let's open the red door. I'm gonna open the red door. Proudly, I'm opening the red door with a 5X top slot. So welcome everyone to Crazy Time. Woohoo! Finally, top slot win for Crazy Time. From the top slot. And now it's time for you to choose which flapper you will pick. Blue, yellow, and green. And most people are going for the green flapper. And the highest on the wheel is 500X. Let's double it. 250X for the blue flapper, 70X for green, and 50X for the yellow. 721 minutes to the number 2000. So 250X for the blue flapper, blue stripes again. So let's do this spin. Congratulations, everyone. 10-minute top slot. Place your bets, 204 winners. Let's try to get one more time for you.
Goes multiplied by 4 by the TOPSLOT. 2 weeks ago, I bought myself a cactus. You know what happened? The cactus is now dead. And we're getting the pachinko with a TOPSLOT of 4, so let's go have a nice pachinko! Woohoo! Hello, party people! Welcome to a very nice pachinko. Let's get something good. Let's see our multipliers first. Oh no, there's a 2. That will be the double of us. 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 40, and 100, and 200. Wow. Okay, so the highest multiplier is 800. Let's go get it. Come on, my dear babies. Let's go get that 800X multiplier. And if not, let's get the 400. If there was ever a time for you to cross your fingers, that would be right about now. Come on, 800! Woo! Let's go, party people! It is 800 for this pachinko. Nice! Congratulations to 2,500 lovely winners. Let's go. Beautiful. See, sharks bring us luck. Let's go. And apparently dead cactuses. The bad circle is luck. But like it was a cactus. I thought that I would have it for at least a month before it decided to pass away. Coin flip is multiplied by 20 by the TOPSLOT. Coin flip, coin flip. Let's go get that coin flip. Oh no, it was so close. And we're getting the 1. Congratulations to 711 level winners of this round. Let's go again.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.